Do you know that you can make a lot of money running TikTok sponsored ads for other people, including business owners, even without gaining access to their accounts? Yes. So hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. That is exactly what we're going to learn today in this video, how you're going to run TikTok sponsored ads for other people, including business owners, from your account without gaining access, without requesting for their password at all. Now, the reason why you would want to run ads for other people could either be they are too lazy to run sponsored ads themselves, or they don't know how to, or some people don't have the promote button, the promote options in their page. They don't have the balance option, they don't have the increase views option in their page. So those people would want others to help them run sponsored ads, and that's where you come in. So if your account is well set up, you have all those features, you can run ads for other people, including business owners, and you charge them a token for it. So I'm going to show you step by step. If you watch this video to the end, you're going to learn step by step how to run sponsored ads, TikTok sponsored ads for other people, including business owners, from your account, from your TikTok account, without requesting for their password, without requesting for their login details. Again, my name is Jacob with GpexSkills. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, there are some things you need to take note of before you venture into running ads for people. Now, the first one, like I mentioned, you don't need their login details, you don't need their password, and that's a good one. It's a good thing. Now, secondly, the person must have posted this content, the post, on their account, not your account, now their own account. Now, the person would have logged into their account, make a post with a very good ad creative, very good ad copy. You already know how to make posts, right? Yeah, we have a video on that on this channel, how to properly make a post for TikTok sponsored ads purpose. Now, if you missed that, please go back and watch that video on how to properly make a post. Then you show your client, you guide your client how to make that post on their page for the purpose of running TikTok sponsored ads. Then you should also take note that you'll be the one to pay for the sponsored ads. So if you're charging the client however you want to do it, just know that you'll be the one making payment for the ad. Now, you're running the ads from your account. Now listen, you're running the ad from your account, you're making payment from your account, but the results would be on your client's account. Okay, it's just like, for example, you're running ads for more followers, you're running it through your account, but the followers is going to your client's account. It's going to your client's page. Your client is getting more followers, but you're running the account, you're running the sponsored ads from your account. Okay, so you'll be the one to make payment. If you're charging the client, you can charge the client based on service, or based on service plus the sponsored ads charges. So however you'd want to do that, you have your way around it. Just know that you'll be the one making payment for the sponsored ads with your TikTok coins. I believe you already know how to buy TikTok coins. If you don't, we have a video on that. Please go back and watch how to buy TikTok coins. It is very simple. Now, you should also think that you need to follow this client, and the client needs to follow you as well. So having taken note of these things, you can then proceed to run sponsored ads for your clients. It's a very lucrative business. You can run for as many people, and it's very easy. It doesn't take time at all. Just in a few minutes, you'll be done. So let's head on to TikTok to run sponsored ads for a client. Hello everyone, welcome here on TikTok. Here we're going to learn how to run TikTok sponsored ads for a client. It is very simple. Now, please remember everything, all the things you need to take note of. The client must have posted the content already, which you are going to run sponsored ads with. So what we are going to do right now is to go click on this home. Now, once you're here, you need to search for that client's page. Now, once you get to the page, you click on the particular post which you are going to run sponsored ads with. So here I'm going to search for the client.
Allow me to reintroduce myself.
Okay, this is the client I want to run sponsored ad for. What you need to do next is to locate the particular post which you want to run sponsored ads with. Okay, so this is the post I want to run sponsored ads with. So just follow the next step. You click on this share right here. You click on share. Then you click on promote. You see promote right here. You click on promote. So here you see the different ad objectives. You see for more video views, for more followers, for more profile views. So what I want to run, the objective I want to run for this TikTok sponsored ad is for more followers. So I click on more followers. Then you see the audience, custom audience, all. Then the age should be 18 to 45. The interest is all. Then after that is the budget. But before we proceed, let's go back to the campaign objectives. Now remember the campaign objective when you're running a sponsored ad for yourself, right? You have boost account, you have sales, you have leads, and you have boost live, right? But here, what do you see right there? You only have boost account. So I think it's still in progress. Very soon they will add other campaign objective while you're running ad for a client. So you can run sales ad, you can run leads ad for a client. But right now at the moment, you only have boost account. So therefore you can only run for more video views, more followers, and more profile views for your clients. Okay, so now let's proceed to the budget. Okay, for the budget, remember the budget you can edit, you can input how much you like to spend for the ad. Look at the duration, how many days do you want to run the ad? You can increase, you can decrease it. So let me just leave the budget as is and increase the duration for 2 days. Okay, so once you're done with that, you click on pay. It is that simple. It's straightforward, guys. It's very straightforward. It's just like you're running ads for yourself. So once you click on pay, now you see there is no authorization yet. Here you're going to request for authorization. Now what would happen? TikTok is going to send a request for confirmation to the client. So the client will receive the notification and approve that authorization. Once the client confirms that authorization, then the ads can be approved and start running and start converting at once. So what we're going to do here is to request authorization. You click on it, request authorization. And that is it, guys. You see, request sent. Request sent. Now you see that the ad will be pending until the ad is approved before it will start running and converting. Okay, so what you're going to do, you reach out to the client, you guide the client how to confirm that approval. Now what the client will do is very simple. Once the client opens TikTok, you click on inbox, you see system notification, click on system notification, then you click confirm authorization, then the ad will be approved. It's that simple. It's very simple. So what I'm going to do right now is to reach out to this client to guide her to confirm authorization. You see, I won't need this client's login details at all. I don't need this client's password or username. All I need is for this client to confirm authorization. Again, open your TikTok, click on inbox, click on system notification. Then you see the notification right there. Just confirm authorization. And that is all. That is all about running sponsored ad for a client. Very easy, very straightforward. So hello guys, welcome back here on TikTok. We've successfully run the ad for our client and our client has approved, confirmed the authorization. So let's go check the ads to know if it's been approved here in our account and if it started running already, if it's active. So we open our TikTok, we click on the profile, then you click on this menu at the top right corner. Then you click on TikTok Studio. Then while you wait for it to open, you click on promote. Then we click on dashboard. Remember, we're not creating any ads, so we are checking if it's active or not. So you click on dashboard. Let's see the ads which is active. Then you go down, you see all the ads which you've run already. You can click on pending to see if that particular one is still pending. You see you don't have any pending ad. Then you click on active. Now once you click on active, you'll see the ad right here. You see is the ad we did for our client Blue Ace Perfumes. You can see that it's active, so you can click on it for more analytics to see if it started converting already. So from the analytics, you can see right here, the first one is the ad. If you click on see more, it's just more details about the ad which we set up. Then if you go down to the results, you see the new followers is still 0. There is no follower yet. The time spent is still 0.9 hours. It's not up to an hour yet. So let's just give it some more time. So apparently it will start converting. So we are running this ad for 2 days. So one thing about sponsored ads again, lest I forget, always learn to give your ads time. Give your ads time. Once you're running ad, give it time about 2 to 3 days. Then you can judge its performance, okay? So let's go back. The ad is active, it's running. All we need to wait for is conversions. So we successfully ran an ad for a client. You see how easy it is. It's very easy. It's just like you're running ads, sponsored ad for yourself. All you need is the confirmation from the client. And once it's confirmed, it's authorized, the ad will start running automatically. So that is all about running sponsored ads for a client. You see our active ads, the two which we use in our previous classes, then the last one which we just did for our client. Okay, so let's go back. You can also check your notification. So you click on inbox. Now you see right here system notification, click on it. Then you see promotion approved. You can see right there. You can also check your notification to see if the ad is approved or not. Hello everyone, welcome back here on TikTok. So in this video we are going to quickly check for the performance and the analytics of the ads which we ran for our clients. So this is our profile page. What you do, you click on the menu, you click on to TikTok Studio. Then here you click on promote. Then you click on dashboard because that is where we monitor our ads and that's where you can optimize your ads as well. Then down here you see the history of all the sponsored ads we've done in the past. The first one you see right there is the one we did for our clients. You can see the numbers. We spent 1,800 and the video views, 1,500 people viewed the videos. And you can see the number of followers, 129. So you can click on it to see more details. Here you can see that the ads is completed. Just below that, you can see the promotion results. The ad cost is 1,840. You can see the cost per followers is 14 naira for 1 follower. Then the number of followers is 129. You can see the video views, about 1,500 people viewed the videos. You can see other details right there. If you go below, you can see the gender, 62% male and 38% female. So you can see that the ads converted. We did this for only 2 days, 1,800 naira, and we got 129 followers. So that is quite impressive. You should understand that the more you run sponsored ads, the more the tendency for it to convert. So if we run this ad for about a week or 2, we would have even expected much more results. We did this for just 2 days and for the first time running sponsored ads for that client. So the result is quite impressive for the amount. We use the minimum budget. So that is how you check for the performance of the sponsored ads which you've done for your clients. So you can monitor the ads, you can monitor the analytics to know whether to improve on the ads, where you need to do better or not. Okay? Please check the caption. There you'd find the links to the other videos, like how to buy TikTok coins, how to properly make a post on your TikTok page for the purpose of running TikTok sponsored ads, amongst other videos you will need for this class. Okay, so please check the caption there, you find the links to this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video so it will get algorithm will take it to as many people that are interested. And don't forget to subscribe if you find this content helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we post our latest videos. So thank you very much for this session. Again, my name is Jacob or JPEX. I'll see you in the next video. Bless.